not? Can see my screen or not?
Yes,
Am I talking
teacher.
to the wall? Please
Yes,
immediately
teacher.
respond. Yes, okay. So we are still under the topic fraction 1 because we have two types of fraction, but we are still learning about the fraction 1, which is 503. But the third topic that we're going to learn today is addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Last time, before the holiday, who have idea about the topic that we have learned? Any idea about the topic that we have learned before the holiday? Hello? Any topic? Immediately go to the Edmodo and refer lah what teacher have posted. What is the topic that we have learned before holiday? Don't say everything you have forgot.
Go near to the table. Lucky, no, not that table.
Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions.
Very good. Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. That means we have learned how to add the fraction of different denominators. Correct? Unlike denominators and like denominators. Okay. So, how about the mixed numbers? Mixed numbers, you all know, is a whole number with a fraction attached. Who still don't know what is mixed number? Okay, can I know who still don't know what is mixed number? Who know what is mixed number? Only Adish and Angivan know what is mixed number. So the rest know or don't know? Ayolah, if no, just thumbs up lah. Very hard to respond early in the morning. Is it now 6:30? Is it? All look so sleepy. Okay, so as we learned last year, means when you all were grade 4, we have learned about the mixed number also. Okay, mixed number is actually whole number with a fraction attached. First, before we go to the solution, that means before we go to the addition of mixed number, this is the slide for the addition first, and then teacher will show about the subtraction. Okay. So before we go further, you have to know first what is mixed number. So example, teacher already written here. So 3, 4 over 5. But usually we can say it 4/5. But it's okay. As usual, we can say it 3, 4 over 5. Understand or not? Okay, now we move to the addition of mixed numbers with like denominators. Okay, what does mean by like denominators?
The denominators are the same.
Very good. The denominators for the both fractions are the same. Okay, let's say this is the example question for for like denominators. If James has 2 and 1/8, 1/8 means 1 over 8 pizzas, and Jan has 2 and 5/8, 5/8 means 5 over 8 pizzas. How many pizzas do they have together? So what we need to do? How many pizzas do they have together? So what we need to do now, class?
Make the denominator same.
No, what solution we need to do? We need to do addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Addition. So since the title already mentioned there is like denominator, so of course the question also we have the same denominator. Okay, which one is the denominator for the first fraction?
8. Can you hear?
8. Very good. So for the second fraction also, how about the denominator, which is
8.
8. So step 1, what we need to do is we have to add the fractions. Okay. Okay, class. Before that, listen. Teacher now is showing about the mixed numbers, correct? So this is the easiest way to add up the mixed numbers. But there is another way for you. It's up to you which one you're going to follow. Let's say the questions are given in mixed numbers, no matter for addition or subtraction. Listen carefully, please bear in your mind. So no matter addition or subtraction, especially for the mixed numbers, you can convert the mixed numbers to the what fraction? Mixed number can convert to the
Improper fraction.
exactly. You can convert the mixed numbers to the improper fraction, and then you can do the addition as usual. If the question already in improper fraction, definitely the answers also will be in
Improper fraction.
and then from the answer you have to change to the
Mixed numbers.
mixed number. So there are two works, correct or not? You have to change to the improper fraction. You need to add, okay, addition is a must, okay. You need to add, and then from the mixed number, from the improper fraction, you need to change it to the mixed numbers. So the easiest way that teacher can teach you now is directly you can do the addition from the mixed numbers. How? Okay, can see or not how did teacher put my fraction here? 2 is the what?
Whole number.
Yes, 2 is the whole number. I think only Adish is attending my class. Angima, no problem. She's having her mic is not functioning. So how about the rest? Do some respond lah. It's like I'm teaching to both of them only. Can respond or not? Can or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please respond. Okay, so teacher have written down the two fractions here. So because we need to do the addition. Even for the subtraction also you can do the same. That one for the another slide teacher will show later. Okay, now for the addition here, can see or not the whole number 2, because the question mentioned that 2 and 1/8. That means 2 and 1/8 is the first fraction. The second fraction is 2 and 5/8. That means 2 5/8. Can see or not how teacher written down this one? For the addition, the first step we need to do is you need to add the fraction first. Can see or not teacher took out the fraction first before the whole number. Can see or not? Hey, can see or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, the denominator is 8. So, do we need to change the denominator for the addition?
No, teacher.
So, how about the numerators? Which one? This is the
1 and
easiest way. Yes, 1 you need to add with 5. 1 plus 5, your answer should be 6. So, the new fraction here is 6/8. Get it?
Get it, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, 6/8 is your new fractions. Okay, this is the easiest way to do the addition of mixed numbers. Okay, 6/8. Now, okay, so this is not the final answer because we still have the whole number to add. Okay. So what is the step 2? For the step 2, you need to add the whole numbers. Can you see or not? The whole number 2 plus 2. What is the whole number for the fraction 1 and fraction 2 class?
2.
Yes, 2 and 2. So you need to add the both whole numbers. Understand? So,
Yes, teacher.
understand or not? So what is the
Yes.
answer? What is the final answer?
4, 6 over 8.
For 6 over 8. Very good. So, but 6 over 8, we still need to
Simplify.
simplify. So, we should get 4, 3 over 4. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, because 6 can divide by 2 and then 8 also can divide by 2. So, you will get 3 over 4. So, answer is 4, 3 over 4. Understand?
Yes,
Understand or
teacher.
not? Yes. This one is for like denominators, which is the denominators are same. Of course, it will be easier for you because you directly add up the fraction and then you add the whole number, you will get the answers. That's it. This one for the like denominators. But how about for the unlike denominators? What does mean by unlike denominators? Aye. What does mean by unlike denominators class?
Denominators are not the same.
Yes, denominators are not same. Okay, so what is the question? If James has 2 and 1/8, that means 1 over 8 pizzas, and Jan has 2 and 3 over 4 pizza, how many pizzas do they have together? Of course, we need to add the fractions. So the first fraction is 2, 1 over 8. The second one is 2, 3 over 4. Okay, now step 1. What we need to do for the addition is the normal fraction. You have to remember the normal fraction. It's the same way, but we have the mix. We have the whole number together. That's it. Nothing difference. Okay, who can tell to teacher? First thing, before you go to the whole number, you have to settle the fraction first. Okay, who can tell to teacher?
1 over 8 plus 6 over 8 equals to
How
7 over 8
how you got 6 over 8 there?
because 3 over 4 times 2.
Why?
So you can make it same as 8, the denominator.
Yes, very good. Since the denominator already we have the 8, so you need to find the common denominator. That means you make it like denominators, correct? You make it same, the denominator. Since we have 1 over 8, so definitely you should know 4 you need to multiply with 2. If the denominator 4 you multiply with 2, directly you have to multiply 3 with the 2, the numerator with the 2. Okay, so you will get the new fraction which is 6 over 8, correct? So 1 over 8 plus 6 over 8 is equals to 7 over 8. Is this the final answer? Is this a final answer? Class, is
No,
this a final answer?
Yes,
No.
teacher.
So, is this a final answer?
No,
Oh,
no.
yes. So, the last step is you need to add the
Whole number.
whole number. Very good. So, the last step is the final step, which is you need to combine the whole number and the fraction. Oh, I'm sorry. So you need to combine the whole number and the fraction. So How many is the whole number just now? The total of whole number is just now 4, correct? Correct or not? Correct or not, class?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
So the whole number together with the fraction 4, 7 over 8. Not 47 over 8. 4 is a whole number. 7 over 8 is a fraction. Okay. So this one is for the addition of subtraction. Sorry. Addition of the mixed numbers. Okay. We move to the subtraction of mixed numbers. Okay, before we start the next topic, okay, who still don't understand about the addition of mixed numbers? Better raise up your hand now before we move to the next topic, so that I can know who still don't understand. Anyone can understand or not? Louisa can understand or not? Why is that so hard to unmute your mic and respond to me?
Yes, teacher.
Fiona can understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Chiayangi can understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Herman can understand?
Yes, teacher.
Wei Feng?
Boleh.
Boleh. Jose?
Yes, teacher.
Ashria? You busy typing there what? Hello? I can see from here, Ashria, you doing something else there because you were busy typing since just now. Can I know what you are doing there? Are you doing any homework? Or busy chatting with anyone? Okay, Adish can understand or not? Aye. Answer properly. Jingzer, what happened to you? Turn on the video. Can you understand or not, Jingzer? Jingzer, are you in the call? Josephine, can you understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Sheng En, Sheng Wei,
Yes, teacher.
Sheng En,
Yes, teacher.
okay. Zunshan, can you understand or not? Don't simply type and inform me in group chat. Hello. You repeating the same thing. Don't make me kick you out from the class.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we move to the subtraction of mixed numbers. Okay. Okay, we are still in the same topic, addition and subtraction of mixed numbers, but this is the second half of the topic, which is subtraction of mixed number. Okay. This is the example question for the subtract the fractions, but this one is the mixed numbers. As usual, the whole number attached with the fraction. Please don't forget what is mixed number. Okay, step 1, what we need to do? We have to find the common denominator, which is we need to make the denominator equal. Okay, since the fraction is 13 1 over 6 minus 6 3 over 4. So how teacher make it equal? Okay, if you want to make the denominator equal, it's not just 6 multiply 4, 4 multiply 6. Is also correct. Also, you can use this method. As long as you can make the denominator equal is fine. Understand or not? Either you can multiply cross like what teacher mentioned just now. 6 you can multiply with 4. 4 you can multiply with 6. There is a one way. But also you can use this way as long as you can find the same denominator. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, so how teacher make this denominator equal? Can anyone tell to teacher? How teacher make the denominator equal? How teacher make this denominator equal, class? How teacher make this denominator equal?
Divide.
Hey, D what?
Teacher, you cut the 13 into 12.
No. No. Don't look at the whole number. Don't look at the whole number. Whole number is the second step. Before that, we need to settle the fraction first. Can
6
see or
times.
not?
Yes,
Ah,
teacher.
yes, correct. I get. Oh, now only you all understand. Oh my God. Yeah. So denominator 6, you make it 12, and then denominator 4 here, you make it 12. That means 6 multiply. Yes, Chayangin. What you said just now?
4 times 3 equals 12.
Yes, very good. So if the denominator here you multiply 2, of course the numerator here also you need to multiply with 2. And then if the 4 here you multiply with 3, definitely the 3 here also you need to multiply with 3. So okay, so please don't get confused. This is a new fraction that you all got. 2 over 12, 9 over 12. But the whole number are still the same. So this is the new question. Correct or not? The 2 over 12 here, teacher put together with the whole number. And then the 9 over 12 here, I put together with the whole number 6. Understand or not for the step 1? Understand or not the step 1?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Please respond, Layo. I'm tired repeating the same question. Okay, so what is the step 2? Can anyone explain to teacher or not? Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. As long as you know how to do these mixed numbers. Who can explain to teacher? Yeah, I know the working is looks so tough, but it's okay. Just try. Who can tell to teacher?
Teacher,
Why Chiayangi? Do you want to try?
no, teacher.
No, just try. Wrong doesn't matter. Just try. What you can understand from here.
You cut the 13 into 12 and then minus 12 2 over 12 need to 12 plus 2 need to plus
What are you talking
Huh?
about?
Okay. Okay, before that, teacher want to explain. Okay, before that, teacher want to clarify one thing here. Okay, if the question is addition, is easy for you, correct? You can directly add the numerator and the denominator. Denominator, of course, no changes. So if the addition, you will get, definitely you will get 11 over 12, correct or not? If question is addition. And then for the whole number, of course, no problem. 13 plus 6 is equals to 19. So you will get 19 as the whole number, and then 11 over 12 is the fraction. Correct or not? But for the subtraction, you cannot minus the smaller number with the bigger number. Understand or not? Oi, understand or not, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, so what we need to do now? Okay, so since the whole number 13 is the biggest one, is the first whole mixed number, that means the whole number for the mixed fraction here. So we need to borrow 1 from the 13 and then add together with the 2 over 12 here. Okay, the first thing what we need to hear. Please remember this fraction in your mind because never mind lah. If you forgot the fraction, you ask teacher to show the previous slide. Okay, so because teacher going to change the next slide now. This is our new problem here, correct? What teacher said, the 2 you cannot minus with the 9 here, correct? Correct or not? So what teacher said, you have to borrow 1 from the 13. How? Don't think if you borrow 1 from the 13, these 2 become 3 is wrong. The way is different. How to add up? Okay, since teacher said you need to add, that means you need to borrow 1 from the 13, is it? So what is the 1 there? 1 there is 12 over 12. Remember class, teacher said you need to borrow 1 from the 13. So 1 is, you have to assume that is 12 over 12. It's depend on the denominator you have. Let's say if the denominator here you have 8, you consider the one you have borrowed as a 8 over 8. Let's say the denominator here you have 10, you have to consider the one that you have borrowed from here is 10 over 10. Understand or not? Understand or not? Because 10
Yes,
over
teacher.
10, because 10 over 10 is equals to 1, 12 over 12 is equals to 1, 8 over 8. What other fraction which is numerator and denominator are same is equals to 1. So it's depend on the denominator you have. Let's say you have the denominator 5 here. The one that you have borrowed from the 13, it should be 5 over 5. Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so what teacher said just now, if you borrow 1 from the 13 here, what is your new fraction? What is your new fraction, class? Let's say if you borrow 1 from 1 here from the 13, so the 1 is what? 12 over
12.
Yes,
12 over
exactly.
12.
Yes, because teacher said you need to follow the denominator you have. So very good. 12 over 12. Okay, now that 12 over 12, that one you borrow from here. This is the fraction that borrow from here. So you need to add that 12 over 12 with the 2 over 12. So what is your new fraction here?
12 plus 2.
Very good. So what is your new fraction? 14 over?
12.
Very good. So what? 14 over 12. But can see or not?
Yes.
Yes. 13. Just now the fraction 13 2 over 12, correct? And then teacher said you have to borrow 1 from the 13. Automatically, if you borrow 1 from the 13, the whole number become class. You already, yes, because you need to minus 1 because you borrow 1 from the 13, so automatically this whole number become 12. Understand until here? Okay, and then teacher said you need to borrow 1 from the 13. So the new fraction should be 12 over 12 because teacher said if the denominator 12, you need to put 12 over 12. If denominator 10, you have to put 10 over 10. Okay, now you have to add the 12 over 12 together with the 2 over 12 here. Can see the new fraction 12, 14 over 12. Until here, can understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, 12, 14 over 12. But this is not our
Answer.
final answer because we still have this one, what? 6, 9 over 12. You need to minus with this one, correct?
Yes,
okay,
teacher.
so 12, 14 over 12, correct? Minus with the 6, 9 over 12, correct or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so step 3, what we need to do, step 2 is here, is the new fraction here, minus with this, and then step 2. So what is your answer? 14 minus with the 9, you should get?
6, 5 over 12.
Very good. 5 over 12. So do we need to change the denominator? No. Yeah, so you should get 5 over 12. Okay, yes, of course. Your whole number is 12 minus the 6. You should get 6. 5 over 12. Very good. So do we need to simplify? No. Let's say if you have the fraction that you need to simplify, of course you need to simplify. Since 6, 5 over 12, no need to simplify. Okay, it's already in simplest form. Okay, understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Can okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show one more subtract the fraction example here. Subtraction of fraction. I want any volunteer explain to teacher like what teacher did just now. Any volunteer. Chiayangi no need because
Teacher,
you
can I
already.
try?
So here you have to write
Can I try?
explaining why the village were brown and dull.
Yeah,
Why?
I can hear your mommy's voice.
Teacher, can I try?
Write first, right?
Need to borrow 1 from the 8, so 3 becomes 8 over 8.
Stop your screen sharing.
Hey,
I can't
can
see
see
the
or not? The denominator is not equal. Just
Okay.
now the example teacher showed is the denominator also not equal, right? But I make it equal first, correct?
Yes.
So please make it equal first. You can take a piece of paper also.
So it's 8 times 5 and 5 times
8 multiply.
5 and 5 multiply.
Okay, very good. And then?
Seven. Mainly is a positive.
It's 3 over 40 and 4 over 40.
So
What is your new fraction?
3/40 and 4/40.
3 over 40. Hello. If you multiply denominator and then what happened to the numerator?
Okay. 15/40
Okay.
and 32/40.
Very good. And then?
Always wanted to hear stories.
Then
Or Millie always wanted to hear stories.
so
And
Okay, so wait. I'm going to show this is correct. Your answer just now, you say 15/40, 32/40. Okay, now is your new problem is here. Okay, done? You make the denominator equal. Okay, so what is the next step?
next have to borrow 8. Have to borrow 1 from 8
Yes, why we need to borrow 1 from the 8?
because 15 cannot cannot minus 32.
Very good. And then?
Becomes 40/40.
Good. Okay, then?
And 40/40 minus 2/40.
Huh? 40/40 minus 2/40?
32/40, teacher.
No. Hello. Teacher said the 40/40 you have to plus the 15/40 first.
write the explanation.
Because because this is the fraction which is borrow from the 8. So you have to plus together with this first. Then only minus with here.
Teacher, 15 plus 40.
Yes, 40/40 plus 15/40 first. Understand? Yeah. So what is your new fraction?
65.
Oh, 40 plus 15 is equals to
55.
50? You mean 5? 50?
55.
Yes, 55/40. So what is your new whole number?
New whole number is
So words and phrases to support this, you must take
What
from the
is your
story.
new whole number?
You can write Millie.
Adish, what is your new whole number?
7.
Millie had a habit
7. Very good. So 7, 55/40. Good. Can see or not? So done. Your next step also. You borrow 1 from the 8, it become 40/40. Don't forget to add the 40/40 with the first fraction here. So you should get 7 is the new whole number because you need to minus 1 and then 55/40. Okay, so this is your second step, correct? Your second fraction is remain the same. Okay, how? Adishwara?
Next is 755.
How long to
over
get your
40
summary, Queeners?
minus 232/40.
Your line is breaking, Adishwara. Cannot hear at all.
Teacher, next is 755/40.
222. Count properly. 55 minus 23 is equals to
55 minus 32 is equal to 23.
Okay, Hema, have you submitted?
23, teacher.
Very good. 23/40. Very good. 23/40. So how about the whole number?
7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So it's 523/40.
Very good. Okay, so the last one is the answer should be 523/40. Everybody can understand or not? Who
Yes.
still don't understand? Can understand, huh? Why everybody off the this one? Off the video? Hello. What happened?
Teacher, my video is on.
Okay, so this is the okay, the last question. Who wants to try? I already explained the first one, and then Chayangi and Adishwara already tried. Who wants to try?
Teacher. Excuse me, teacher. May I
Yes,
go
yes,
take water?
yes, yes, can.
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Okay, the last question. Who wants to try the subtraction of mixed numbers? So after this, maybe we can end the call because teacher have one more slide. That one is only the example. Is the mix for everything. Addition and subtraction is same what we have learned just now. Is more detail here. Maybe you can refer, but teacher already posted the slides in Edmodo yesterday. So is this one is mix of addition and subtraction. Nothing difference. Okay, so who wants to try the subtraction of mixed number? The last example. Can I call Herman? Herman, can you try? Just try. Wrong doesn't matter. Okay? Oh, wait, can or not?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, done. Okay, so how to do the subtract fraction? Can you please explain?
Hey, where is our all the pilot unit now?
7
Is
times 5.
PLE should to us.
Yeah, 7 multiply 5. Then faster, Herman.
PB3. How many unit? Or ours just take few unit to drop. This is the final unit.
Explain step by step. Oh my
You can
god.
take some
Whose
3 unit.
background is that, huh? The rest, please mute the mic. Hey, oh, everybody muted the mic. Herman, I think it's your background.
You all drop 5
Very
unit.
noisy.
Pilot, please.
It's okay, just try faster, quickly explain, and then you can off the mic.
Huh? PB3 or PB2? Because PB3 you still have 100 unit. The 5 unit you drop off.
Don't know or no?
Final, huh?
Don't know.
Hey. Why
Final,
confused
then
already?
the one-
Okay, never mind. You have to follow now, huh? Herman. Okay. The
Yeah,
step
you
one
assembly
you need to
yourself
do
one
what?
I
What is the step one that you need to do? Like teacher mentioned just now, you have to make the denominator equal, right, Herman?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your answer if you make the denominator equal? What is the new fraction you should get?
sending
6 1/5
Yeah.
and 3 2/5.
No, sayang. This denominator is 7 and 5, right? You have to multiply 7 with the 5, 5 with the 7, what? Understand or not? You have to make the denominator equal. So the first thing you need to do, you have to make the denominator equal, correct? 7 you should multiply with 5. If the denominator you multiply with 5, listen carefully, Herman. Don't understand, please let me know. 7 if you multiply with 5, 1 also you have to multiply with 5. Okay, so the new fraction here is 5 over
35.
Very good. So what teacher said, if 7 you multiply with 5, 5 you should multiply with
7.
7. Okay, so 2 also multiply with 7. So what is your new fraction?
So after some minor, I think
14 over.
Right.
maybe
14 over, yes, 35, correct?
85 or
Yes.
Okay, now this is the step that you have mentioned just now, correct? 6, 5 over 35 minus 3, 14 over 35. Okay, can we do the subtraction from this fraction? Can we do the subtraction? 5 can minus with the 14 or not?
For plastic part, we can
Cannot. Then what did I say just now? You cannot multiply 5 with the 14 here, correct? You need to borrow 1 from the whole number here, correct?
Correct.
So if you borrow 1 from the 6, you will get the new fraction is
5, 15
No.
over 35.
no 35 over 35, correct?
so the date 24th they only keep out.
The one you should replace with what? What teacher said, if you borrow 1 from the whole number, it becomes the fraction, same as the denominator, 35 over 35. Remember or not, Herman?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you borrow 1 from the 6 here, you should get 35 over 35. So the 35 over 35, you need to add with the 5 over 35 here. So what is your new fraction? If you add 35 over 35 with the 5 over 35.
40 over 35.
Very good. 40 over 35 is your new fraction. Can see or not? But why, teacher, why the whole number is changed to 5? Why the whole number changed to the 5? Do you know?
Because the 6
If the latest is 20.
Yes, exactly. Because you already borrowed 1 from the 6, so you need to minus 1 from the 6 there.
12
Then,
or more, I
can
think
you
it's-
see the new fraction here? 35 over 35 plus with the 5 over 35, you should get 5, 40 over 35. Understand?
Oh yeah, I think
Yeah.
we refer to our
But this is
schedule.
not the final answer because we still have the second fraction.
Actually, we want to
Understand or not?
target,
Yeah.
Okay, now can you tell me how to do the answer?
mid or March.
Now 40 can minus with the 14 or not?
Yes.
Very good. So what is your answer?
The previously they commit to budget
26 over
17
35.
March.
Very good. 26 over 35 is only for the fraction. How about the whole number?
26 over 35.
26 over 35. Okay, so do we need to do any simplification here? No need, because already in the simplest is lowest term already, so we don't have to do any changes. Understand or not, Herman, now?
Yes.
Yes, please remember, don't forget. Okay?
I think so.
Okay, so the last one. Oh yeah, we still have one more question. Okay, the last one. Any volunteer except Chayangi, Adishwara, and Herman? Who else want to try faster? Please explain to me in 3 minutes. Who can tell to who can tell to teacher? Explain to teacher. I give 3 minutes. Hey, Adish. Jose, can you please explain? I know no response from Jose already. Fiona, do you want to explain? Can, right? Can, right, Fiona? It's very simple one.
Teacher, is it 8 multiply 9?
Yes. Make the denominator equal. Never mind. We go with the flow. You start first and then maybe teacher can help you. You do the first step first. What we need to do?
8 multiply 9, then the 9 multiply 8.
8 multiply 9. Very good.
Then
If 8 multiply 9, what about the numerator? Three also you need to multiply with 9, right?
yes, teacher.
Yes, you settle the fraction first. Don't look at the whole number. What is the fraction? Settle the fraction is the simple one. 8 multiply 9, 3 also you multiply with 9, correct? So you should get 27 over
27
over 72. Right, simple fraction. Correct or not? Fiona?
Yes.
Okay or not?
Okay.
Okay, Fiona, 8 you multiply 9 already, right? So 3 also you need to multiply with 9, correct?
Yes, teacher.
So you should get 27 over 72. Correct? 8 multiply 9 is equals to 72. What? Hello. Okay,
Yes,
so
teacher.
27 over 72. So you minus with the here 7 over 9 also you already change it to the 72 here. 9 multiply 8 and then 7 also you need to multiply with 8. So 56 over 72. Okay. So 27 you cannot minus with the 27 can minus, never mind lah. Okay, class. Never mind. We have no time to continue. Okay, Fiona, you can refer the slides here. 27, slide number 27 and 28, right? So tomorrow before we start the new topic, Fiona, you please explain this to me, can?
Okay.
Okay, so the last slides, who can explain to teacher? So please be prepared. I can call anyone except Fiona, Adish, Shayangi and Herman. Okay? So please be prepared with this question. Just give me answer also enough. Okay? Or you want to explain also, no problem. Before we start the new topic. What is the new topic? Hey, we don't have class tomorrow, right? Okay, Wednesday. Because Thursday we're going to have a quiz. I'm going to put quiz for the topic addition and subtraction of unlike fraction and also the mixed numbers. I'm going to put the toughest question for you all for the quiz. Okay, done. Okay, the new topic that we're going to learn for coming Wednesday is multiplication of fraction. Never mind, teacher can prepare the slides for you all so we can learn on Wednesday. But Wednesday, before we start the multiplication of fraction, the last two questions for today's slides are Fiona and one more person. Anyone, it can be anyone. I can call anybody. It's up to me. So please be prepared. Okay? Those who already tried today, no problem. So can we end the call? See you
Yes,
all
teacher.
on Wednesday. Okay. This video teacher going. Okay, this video teacher going.